Hey guys, welcome back to my doggy channel. So, this is my doorbell camera, and it's pretty nice. I'm talking to you on the microphone of it, and I'm talking really quiet. I don't know why it's so loud when I talk through the microphone of the doorbell. But Ruby and Rocky are having so much fun! So, you better subscribe because when we get to 50, we will do a big, 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 big party once we get to 50. And then once we get to 1,000, we'll do a super big party. And then when we get to 100, we'll do a medium big, super big party. You better subscribe. If you like out here, you should check out the other video. Because the last video was lots of fun, and you guys are on my doorbell. So, you're doing pretty good, and we have 20 subscribers right now. So subscribe, and that'd be good. So my dogs are inside, and they're having fun. So Rocky and Ruby are both here now. Ruby and Rocky are barking.